And if you're interested in a pre-built Shopify store, I do have dropshipping hair stores. We will sync the vendor for you. They come already synced with the vendor, already designed, so you can start your hair business the easy way. All right, friends, starting out on Shopify home store, I will click online store and go to themes. I'm going to upload my own theme since I made this website myself. It's just like an easier way. I can drag and drop the Shopify website that's already built. So this is a new theme. It is a purple hair store. Link in the description if you're interested. I'm going to start adding the photos and start filling in the website. And if you want to start your own hair business, like I said, we can sync the vendor for you. We have different color themes, different kind of Shopify stores. This is our newest one, and it is like a purple theme, like a purple violet. It is very cute. I love it. So I'm going to upload some photos straight from my desktop. And now I'm going to add some product photos, stock photos, and after that, I'm going to do the collection cover photos. Now, even if you are interested in the Shopify store theme and you didn't want to drop ship, you can still purchase it from me. I can create the Shopify store for you. Or even if you have your own Shopify store, I can get access and upload this theme for you. Link in the description for more information, or drop your comments down below that you may have. And we do have 3 different hair packages when it comes to our pre-built Shopify hair stores. Pretty much the first one is if you just want the Shopify theme, but you don't want to drop ship. The second one package will be if you want to drop ship. We can sync the vendor for you, like I said. And the third package, the final one, will be like drop shipping the whole website. And we can even include a vendor from the a sample from the vendor. I said that so backwards, guys. A sample from the vendor. So click the link in the description if you want to know how our pre-built Shopify dropshipping hair stores work. And right here, you just see me adding the collection cover photos straight from my laptop. And then after that, I'm going to go back to online store and show you guys how the store did end up looking. And I did end up adding the logo at the very end. I did make the logo in Canva. It is a template. So like I said, if you get a pre-built Shopify store from me, you will get access to the actual logo so you can edit it and add your own name and your own domain name as well. You can pick your own temporary domain if you buy a pre-built website from me. Or if you have your own Shopify store already, just let us know. We'll request access so we can upload this theme to your Shopify store that you already have. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know your comments down below, and thanks for watching. Bye.